Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a pretty exciting video. We have this M6. I got Xavier here with me. Xavier, want to explain to me what's going on with the M6? What kind of mods and stuff you have done?
So let's see. Right now we got charge pipes. We have drop-in BCM filters and a stage 1 tune.
Okay, cool.
That's pretty much it.
And who is it tuned by right now?
It's just running off the boot mod stage 1
boot
OTS tune, yeah.
Okay, boot mod OTS, awesome.
Yeah, I'm waiting on a custom tune. Hopefully when I get the downpipes on, I'll go ahead and do a custom tune for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this thing, is this one a competition or is this
this is a base model M6 but with competition packaging.
Oh,
So
okay,
I have
gotcha.
the Prestige package as well. I have the heated seats,
Carbon roof, that's nice.
I guess the rear window rises up, so I guess that's for privacy.
Okay.
So yeah, and then I also have the competition suspension as well. Only thing I'm glad I don't have is the brakes.
Okay.
I do not want the carbon ceramics.
Those are probably really expensive, aren't they?
Man, I think
to replace.
Shit, just for mines right now is let me see. I think the rotors right now for the base M6 is like $750 a piece.
Okay.
Yeah. The carbon ceramics I believe are like $2,500.
Oh,
Not
geez.
too sure.
Got the LED headlights and stuff.
I was told they last for forever. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Time of the car.
So this is this Alpine white?
Yeah.
Okay, Alpine white. And then what year is this one?
2014.
2014. Okay,
Yeah.
so 2014 base M6, and this one has a 7-speed dual clutch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
We're gonna go for a little ride in this car, and then in a separate video you guys will see it race the M2 and see how that does.
I'ma lose for sure.
Definitely not.
Way lighter. You got way more power.
No, this makes 550 stock, and then yours is tuned, so I have no chance. All right, guys, we're gonna hear the stock exhaust. Got a little rumble to it. Got all the cool power controls and stuff on the side, because this is an M. Oh, geez. Okay, I want to hear that one from the back. All right, try it again. Oh, geez. Oh, yeah, that thing is nice. All right, so I'm gonna hop in here. Okay. Oh yeah, I can't get copyright.
We don't want you to get flagged, bro.
Yeah, I know. All right, guys, we're in the M6. Obviously, this is a 6 series, so it's a little bit more luxury oriented. So we got the cool like Alcantara headliner, the nice soft materials and stuff inside.
I got a lot I want to do to it, man, but I've been doing well as far as racing and looks wise, so I haven't really thought about doing anything too crazy. But I want to do the steering wheel, you know what I mean? And I got some 3-piece SSR wheels. I got some 3-piece SSR wheels at the crib that I'm waiting to put on as well.
Carbon fiber bits. Do you normally drive it in like manual?
It depends on the day how I'm feeling. If it's on a weekend with the boys, yeah, I'm in MO for sure.
Okay.
But if I'm just driving just to be driving, no, I'm in eco mode.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just chilling.
I know you said with you've been getting like what, 14 miles per gallon?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Crazy, bro.
You probably do a lot of in-town driving too, huh?
No, so I have
We'll go right, actually. Yeah.
I work for an electric company, so I usually use my truck most of the day, Monday through Friday, so it just sits in the garage.
Oh, okay. Oh wow, yeah, it starts pulling. That's crazy.
Yeah, she's an animal for sure. Anything above 80 miles an hour. Below, it's bad to get traction. It's super, super hard to get traction.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That pulls hard.
That's light.
I know, that's what I'm saying. That pulls hard. You're just barely doing it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh man. All right, so we're in drive now. Just put in like a Sport Plus.
Sport Plus?
Yeah. And then once you get straight here at like 40 miles an hour, I want you to just like floor it and see how it kicks down and pulls through the rev range. Oh yeah. I think you're gonna BB. Oh my gosh.
This
that top end is crazy.
Yeah, the top end is bananas. I remember I raced this I was racing this Hellcat and he thought I had upgraded turbos. And I'm like, what the no, bro, this is stock.
Oh jeez. Yeah, I got my hands full with this one, that's for sure. Yeah, it's crazy. So like when you initially hit it, I think traction's cutting in too.
Yes.
But when you initially hit it, it's like okay, it's okay. And then like once it starts pulling up top, it just freight trains.
It's literally just like, let's go.
Yeah, I got no chance with this one. But it'll be fun anyway. It'll be fun anyway.
Hella fun, man. Hella fun.
That's crazy how it pulls so hard up top. I remember that we had a F10 M5 that got traded in. And I took it for a spin.
Yeah.
And I remember the same feeling where like you hit it initially, traction's kind of cutting it a little bit, and then it just starts pulling hard.
Yeah, once she hook up, it's a wrap.
Yeah. So maybe if we do like a 40 roll, I might be able to jump out on you because mine doesn't really have traction issues at 40. So I might be able to jump out on you, and then you're probably just going to freight train me down.
Yeah, probably.
The next video, we're going to do a run in Mexico, of course, and see how my stock M2 does versus a stage 1 tuned M6.
Yeah. Something light.
Yeah. How would you say you like the dual clutch? You like the dual clutch? Or is it a little clunky at times? Or like, what do you think about it?
I think the dual clutch is really, really well. An 8-speed would be like bananas in this car. You know what I'm saying? Especially like, I think for the power range or whatever the case may be, it's pretty good. I think when it's tuned, it'll be a lot more better. It'll be more quicker.
Yeah.
The shifts for sure. I was hearing a lot of people tell me that the XHP is going to increase the plate pressure, which will be very well for the horsepower that I'm about to put in it soon once I get the stage 2 tune. But other than that, yeah, the transmission is cool. It's not what I think should have been put inside of the M6, but it'll do.
Yeah, I know the ZF 8-speed is a lot more smooth and stuff, but some people, they prefer like the dual clutch. They like that like raw feel. Now, how long have you had this car and has it been reliable for you?
Hell yeah, hella reliable. I haven't had to do a damn thing to it. Like literally nothing. Only thing I did is whatever I wanted to. Brakes, oil changes. I'm not the guy that's waiting to 4,500 miles. I'm not doing that. I do my shit 2,900, maybe 3,000.
Be extra safe, yeah.
Yeah, extra safe. And I don't use bullshit. I mean, to me, I feel like it's not bullshit. I use, excuse my language for the kids, but I use like
good oil.
Good oil.
Yeah.
What's that bottle that I use?
Liquid Moly.
Liquid Moly.
Yeah.
I use the Liquid Moly. But yeah, I love that oil for sure.
That's good. It's been reliable because I know some people, they say certain things about like the S63. They're like, oh, oil consumption, all this other stuff. So that's why it's good to hear from you, an actual owner that you said it's been very reliable for you.
Very reliable.
And how long have you had it for?
Like 2 years already.
2 years? Okay, cool.
I haven't had to do nothing.
And you have what, 80,000 miles?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, and it's been reliable, so that's really good.
Yeah. Even when I'm doing the oil changes and stuff, I take the air filters off, and inside of the turbos, the turbo inlets, they're plastic. It's rarely you see any like oil buildup inside of there, maybe a little bit. So I just take a microfiber and get up in there, you know what I mean, clean it off, and that's about it. I don't see any, like, a lot of people always say we drink a lot of oil, but I've yet to really experience any of that.
Well, that's good that it's been reliable for you, and
for sure.
And yeah, no, I appreciate you for giving me the ride in the car.
No problem, bro. Anytime, man.
Yeah.
Anytime. Next time I'm gonna have to throw you the keys, bro.
I know. That'll be really fun.
Yeah.
But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the race with the M2, and I will see you in the next one.